It's a beautiful day out here in Riverside, California. Sun is beautifully shining down on the carnivorous plants. Perfect time to shoot a video on the Venus flytraps. A lot of new growth happening at the moment. As you can see, fresh new traps opening around left and right. Springtime is a beautiful time. I'm very excited to make content for you guys. I'm going to be showing you these plants a lot more often on my channel. Why, you might ask? Man, because Venus flytraps are awesome. That's why. Alright, you guys, I'm going to end the talk, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Please subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Oh yeah, one more thing. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see more plant-related stuff. Alright, bye-bye now.